Well, as you can see, it's a snow day where I live, which means it's the perfect day to do some fire alarm testing in my garage. As a pull station, I have an F1 GT Chevron behind an STI mini stopper. And I'm thinking we'll go ahead and pull this first thing today to test it out. Here we go. And I've gone ahead and silenced the alarm system. So this alarm that's still flashing is my Gentex GCS24CR Commander 4 ceiling mount strobe only alarm. And then the smaller alarm that sounds like a smoke alarm is my Gentex GX90-4R mini horn. Today I'm thinking we'll go on up to the attic and test out the heat detector that I have placed up there. I haven't tested this heat detector in a long time. Right up here is the heat detector. It's a Kidde KIR-HD 135 degrees fixed and rate of rise heat detector. So if the temperature rises above 135 degrees, it'll trigger an alarm. Or if the temperature rises 15 degrees within a minute, that'll also trigger an alarm. So I have a hairdryer here, and I'm just going to blow some heat at it, and my guess is it will trigger the rate of rise component of the heat detector. Here we go. Let's go ahead and go on back down. And the security side of the system did not activate because there was already a triggered alarm and I had silenced it. Now I'm going to go ahead and reset the Faraday F1 GT Chevron. The little piece I just put in the stopper stops that alarm so that I don't have to listen to it. And then you just use a hex key, open up the pull station, and then close it back up. Here's the inside if you're curious, and then the model's right there, F1 GT. So now we'll close it back up, lock it, reactivate the stopper alarm, and then close it down. And now we'll go ahead and reset the Kidde FX-64 addressable fire alarm control panel just by pushing the reset button. And it'll take about a minute, so in the meantime, we'll go ahead and reset the security system. There we go. That's all reset, and then this panel should reset here in just a couple seconds. There we go. We'll go ahead and close the door. And I think that'll be today's system test. So thank you all for joining me on this snowy day. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.